How to make muffled sound on Capcut. What's up everybody? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can make sound or music muffled using the Capcut app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you just open up your Capcut and open a video that you want. And once you do that, what you need to do now is go ahead and tap on the video, and from here you will have to find an option that says extract sound. So go ahead and swipe to the right and you will find this setting. From here you just have to tap on this extract audio and it will automatically extract the audio from your video. Now once you get to the extracted audio, you just tap on it, and from here you just tap on audio effects. Once you get to audio effects, you will find different options here like your voice filters, voice characters, speech to song, and once you do that, you can scroll down here and find different options. Choose which one suits you better and which one muffles your music or your voice better. I recommend you use this megaphone or the lo-fi. So once you choose this one, your sound will be muffled or your music will be muffled. Now you just tap on export video and that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys next time.